We have been getting lots of requests regarding the ongoing work on the Mbaise Umuahia road. So guys, we decided to check it out for you guys and bring you guys up to speed as to how the road looks like. Yeah, we're on this road a day before today, coming from Umuahia, but it was raining heavily. As you know, this is raining season, so we could not really do anything. So leaving Owerri today, we decided to say, okay, let's still take the stress to pass through this route so we can show you guys how the work is going. So if you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do what to click on the subscribe button and also turn on notification bell so you don't get to miss all the updates we drop on this channel. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. So we are currently riding on the Mbaise road already. For as many of you who are not aware, if you are leaving Owerri to Umuahia, you don't go through the conventional route that will go through, like passing through the Owerri ShopRite and all of that. So the road is entirely blocked because work is going on around there. And as you can see as well, drainage system work is going around this portion that has been totally completed. You can see the security and all of that. So drainage system around here, the work is going on and they're trying to see how to fix the drainage system. So the construction work around this axis of Mbaise has been totally completed. Like I was saying earlier, you don't go through the ShopRite, Owerri ShopRite again, because you have to navigate through the Mbakwe International Airport axis. So there's a way you just pass through those corners and you are out on this route. So that is how you go through now from Owerri to Mbaise or to Umuahia, except you want to do the long ride by going through Abia first before navigating back to Owerri. So but we had to use some Mbakwe part, so we are currently riding on the Umuahia axis. Just like you saw earlier where we passed, work is on around that region, and the road around there has been tarred, so drainage system are being fixed, and this section of the road has been totally graded but no work yet, so just running on a roughy patch. So we decided to cut this video short so we can just bring you guys to the area where the work is going precisely. Forgive me, I don't know the actual Mbaise that we are, but we are in Mbaise. You know, Mbaise have different Mbaise here, so there are different names for those of you who knows the various Mbaises. So do well to also let us know them in the comment section. I know there are various Mbaise, but we are in one of the Mbaise where the road construction work is going on. So just as you can see, all of these portions used to be extremely bad, and you can see that it has been totally graded, sand feed and mashed. So but more work is still coming up. So past the tractors at the back, I think some are at the front. As we go on the ride, we'll be seeing how far they are going, coming from the boundary axis of the road as well. So you can see that it's smooth and motorable, no much potholes to jump. But then again, we hope that by the time we visit this axis again, the road should be entirely completed. So just to also mention that closer to Owerri too, this kind of work is also going on to ensure those areas are also well smooth and well tarred. So you can see ahead of us, a tractor is ahead of us also doing some work, and the road has been demarcated into a single lane road where we have to manage to pass. So they're trying to dig off and do a lot of work at the same time around this axis. So the work is going on gradually. We hope that things will be completed pretty soon. So quite slippery around here because of the red sand that was poured here. Quite very slippery around here. So we keep it going till we come to the borderline between Mbaise and Abia state. So guys, so that is it. So if you have used this route in recent time, also do let us know in the comment section. Tell us about your experience. And a lot of persons for no reasons are actually avoiding this route. In fact, friends I have in Owerri told me, don't go through that route, you might be stuck in traffic, So but then when I was coming from Umuahia the last time, because I went from Abia to Umuahia to Owerri, so there was no traffic. So I was like, what's the traffic guys are talking about? So I didn't really get to experience traffic. But then you see people are walking, and sometimes when it's become clumsy a bit, the workers step aside to control the traffic, you know, and just let it go like that. So like that's what they are doing currently now. There are people ahead of us who are waiting for us to come through before they start coming. So you can see the break point. So we had to shift a little bit for them to continue their ride. So there is no traffic like it is being said, or your friends will tell you. So if you are planning to use this route, feel free to use it. I don't think you'll be stuck in any traffic of any kind, you know. So, and also to mention, when you navigate out of the mbakwe airport, the road is entirely clean till you get to where this video started from. So guys, help us share so people can get to know the current state of the road and also be aware of the work that is currently going on along this road. So for those of you who have been requesting for an update on the Mbaise work, so here you have it, guys. So let me have your thoughts about it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. So we're going to stay till the point where the work comes to an end. So before we bring the video to an end, so we're just going to continue on this ride like this. So if you are from this axis, let me know in the comment section. I'm excited for you guys because before you know now, your road will become clean express. You know, going to your village will be a lot easy. You know, so that's okay. So I've been to a couple of times. I've been to these communities around Mbaise, various parts of the Mbaise for different functions. So, but I'm quite excited because these are my usual route. The southeast is one part where I navigate a lot around Abia, Umuahia, Enugu, eboh. You know, so I'm most excited when I see that road construction work like this are going on. You know, because it just ease traffic, help our vehicles better, and just, you know, make you feel more relaxed using the road. So this particular point that we are now, I'd like to tell you the story of what happened when I was using this road coming back a day before today. You know, a vehicle fell into a very big ditch because there was water on the road, so I was actually behind. I wanted to use his movement to navigate through. When he fell in, all of us had to reverse back to just follow this corner that we are passing now. So that's why this other vehicle is waiting, so that we don't fall victim for what happened to the other commercial vehicle. He didn't know there was actually water on the road, so he assumed, and he really got stopped at that point. So that part is quite very deep, so the work has not gotten to this extent. So this extent of the road, these portions of the road are very bad. So we are currently navigating out. We are already in Abia state, and pretty soon we will be at the Umuahia tower. So we are currently navigating into Abia state. So this is one that the area where they have that market, the timber market and all of that around those area, and the signboard at the market, or the bridge at the market between both states, is what we just passed now. So guys, welcome to Umuahia. So when the road is completed, I believe it's going to be a very easy ride all the way from Owerri to Umuahia. So if you have watched till now, thank you so much. And if you are not yet a subscriber, do well to click on the subscribe button to be part of our family. And for returning subscribers, always thank you so much. We do appreciate your love for our channel. So this is Umuahia, and this is Enugu Portharcourt Expressway. So thank you so much, guys. We see you in our next video. Bye.